Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. This is just going to be a short video on how to reset the maintenance light on your 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're just going to want to turn on the vehicle. And then right here, you're going to pretty much hit this right here. You're going to see over there that it's gonna, once you hit it, it's gonna go to the next screen, and then you want to go all the way to, actually you just want to go to settings. Then you're gonna scroll down using this button right here. You're gonna scroll down to convenience, push on the button, then you're gonna go down to service interval, also click that. Then you're gonna go all the way down to where it says reset. Then you're just gonna hit the reset. It's gonna ask you if you want to reset time and distance, and you just hit the yes, and it's all done. You've just reset your service interval. All right, thank you, and see you guys on the next one.